In this video, we're going to learn how to create control points on the surface and manipulate them. So we can manipulate the surface vertically. We also want to duplicate the edge of the surface so that we can generate a curve with all the control points along the curve. Right now you can see how the control points are sometimes on the curve and sometimes off the curve. Let's just create a surface first. Planar SURB. So we created a NURB surface just now, and we want to delete the original boundary curve. Now click on this NURB surface and then just type in offset and choose offset curve on SURB. And then we click on the surface, the edge of the surface, and you can see how the arrows are pointing inward, saying that it's going to offset towards the center of the surface. So what we want is to flip that direction so we can offset away from the edge of the surface. And then right click, it says, okay, the offset curve on surface fail, that's fine. Let's just do it again. Offset. And then this time, we can just click on the curve, and then you can see how it's allowing us to pull away from the edge of the surface, and then just click again. So we just generated a curve that has all the control points along the curve itself. So if we want that for the surface boundary, we can click on that curve again and type in offset. And this one is normal offset, and then we can just drag towards the center of the surface. And then now we should be able to see how another boundary curve was generated as the edge of the surface. Okay, so now let's click on the NURB surface itself and then type in rebuild so we can have more control points. 3 again is a good degree of freedom, and then 10 seems right for each direction in terms of the number of control points. So let's click OK. So we can press F10 to bring up all the control points. It looks like we can have a bit more control points. So let's hit escape and type in rebuild. Rebuild. And then click on the surface, right click, and let's just make it 20 and 20. Okay, and say okay. So now we can press F10 again, and then hold down control key. We can choose as many control points we want to select. I'm sorry, shift key. Okay, and then double click on this top view tab. So we can probably see what's going on in the perspective better, or we can even go to the top or the right view to be able to move these points better. Let's just say I would like to move it up for about 2.5 feet. So I'll type in M and then just go up and type in 2.5 and enter. So we can better see it in the perspective view, so you can see how we just basically move the surface up by 2.5 feet right here.